I'm not even joking. There's like a part in here that says fucking bitch. Chaos. I call it fun. Okay. Get ready, let's go now, cause we're ready for the show now. Oh yeah, it's time for a new sound. We came here to show off our style. Step 1, 2 to the beat. Mic check 1, 2 to the 3. Me not your guy, chick move to the rhythm of the beat. Let's go. Don't ever feel lost, we have each other, so we are good. So now it's our time to shine, and all you have to do is just be you. What? Hajime step, my dear friend. You're always welcome here, so feel at home. Why is this in Chinese? What? That's what makes us sit back, enjoy the show. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's like a part. There's like this lyrics. These lyrics. There's like a Chinese part in here. We came from different places, see new faces, makes me anxious. But this time I'm not a nervous wreck. Earth feels like outer space, but it's okay, I must stay, yeah. Cause we're all one big loving family. Running through the halls so fast, cutting each chime of this or that, the dash. You wanna do this, wanna do that. Remember all the good and forget about all the bad. We only got love, we don't make any enemies. Laughing, having fun every day, making memories. So let's hop on the stage and show them what we came for. Don't ever feel lost, we have each other, so we are good. So now it's a time to shine, and all you have to do is just be you. Hajime my dear friend. You're always welcome here, so feel at home. There's a Chinese lyric in here for some reason. We have a different glow. Oh my god. At times it may be hard, but don't you forget. I'm here for you. Oh yeah, baby, I'm here for you. We all got you. Can't. Hajime my dear friend. You're always welcome here, so feel at home. Weisha mother's Chinese in these lyrics. We all have a different glow, but that's what makes us sit back and enjoy the show. Oh yeah, Luna, I'm so sorry I ruined your song. Oh, let's get started now. What? I don't even know this part. Let's get it started now, baby. Let's get started. Yeah. Okay, I tried. I really did. I tried, guys. I was even like unfamiliar with Stuck in the Abyss. So, like, I can barely remember this one. I tried, guys. I tried. Yeah, I'm not even joking. There's like a part in here that says 是人是事. I don't know what that. 是人是事? I don't know, that's in Chinese. It looks like pinyin. You know? That's why I was so confused. I was like, why is there... Oh, I know why! Oh, it's because, I think, like, they translated it... Yeah, because in Japanese it's like 10 people, 10 colors. That's why. And then it for some reason translated to Chinese, which is like 十人十色, right? Well, fuck! Why is there Chinese in here? Okay, I get it now. Okay, so it's just like a translation thing. I was like looking at the lyrics, like, why does it say like I was listening to Ren sing that part too. I was like, is he speaking in Chinese or am I going crazy? I was super confused.